Good morning, guys.
Hi, Miss.
How are you today?
Fine.
Okay, so most of you are fine, are happy. Excellent. That's excellent. And how about you, Barbara? How are you today?
No dormí muy bien anoche, así que más o menos la verdad.
Oh, you didn't sleep well last night, so maybe you are tired.
Yes.
Alright, guys, so now we are going to talk about the purpose of this class. Why? Because it's really important, it's importante, it's important that you guys can know what we are going to do and why. So, Barbara, would you like to read it from the board, please?
Okay.
Great, thank you. Go ahead.
The purpose for this class is that you will be able to promote interest in the diversity of other cultures around the world and reinforce skills for students by developing a conscious and critical way of thinking.
Excellent! Happy face. Thank you, Barbara. So during this lesson and unit, you will be able to promote interest in the diversity of other cultures around the world and reinforce skills, reforzar habilidades, reinforce skills for students by developing a conscious and critical way of thinking. So, for the activity of today, I would like to ask you some questions. Do you know what this is? Do you know what this is? It is a radio, it is a cell phone, a TV, computer. What do you think? What is that?
Yes, it's a cell phone. It's a cell phone.
Excellent, very good. And the last one? What is that? What do you think, guys?
Netflix.
Perfect! Netflix, right? So, did you know that all of these things that I show you are part of globalization? About globalization, have you heard about it? ¿Han escuchado alguna vez de eso? Have you heard about it?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, what do you know about globalization, Javiera? Can you tell me, please?
It is the communication between the countries in the world.
Excellent! That is a really good answer, Javiera. Very good. So, guys, in this class, you are going to understand exactly what globalization is. And the most important thing is that you are going to know about your culture and the others and how globalization affects, cómo la globalización afecta the other cultures. Okay, so now we are going to work on pages 34 and 35, okay? Natalia, can you read the title, please?
Okay. Does globalization mean one single culture?
Thank you. That is a really good question to think, right? Because all countries have different traditions and different lifestyles, diferentes estilos de vida, lifestyles, that creates the culture, right? Okay, so you are going to read pages 34 and 35 and pay attention to some keywords that are going to be written on the board, such as overwhelming, loss, advocates, and reject. Okay? Meanwhile, you are reading the text. You have to find some words that are written on the board and to look for them after reading, okay? These words are homogenization, globalization, culture, and identity, okay? Those words are very important to understand the text. Alright, guys, did you like the text?
Yes. It was an interesting topic.
Yes, it was. Did you find the words?
Yes, I did. I found them too.
Great! Excellent! We are going to divide this class into 5 groups of 4 people. You will have to discuss some questions about the text, okay? I'm going to write the questions on the board and you will have to write them on your notebooks, please. Okay, so the questions for this discussion are: Number 1. Which are the 2 perspectives about the impact of globalization in the world? Number 2. Does Isabella think that globalization makes the world more homogeneous? Number 3, according to Isabella's answer, is there a dominant culture because of globalization, or people are trying to keep their own culture? So you will discuss these questions with your groups and then you are going to share it with the class, okay? And don't worry if you don't remember or you don't know a word or a concept, okay? Because you can ask me or ask some partner, okay guys? Go ahead.